Hello everyone, and this is Edmond Mindaro's channel and here with another quick tutorial. At sa video ito ay tuturo ko on how to control mouse cursor with the keyboard in Windows 11. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process guys, and let's go ahead. Ang next step ay dito lang sa start menu, so click mo lang yan. And then dito sa searching bar ay search lang natin yung control panel. Alright, and then click mo lang itong open. Dito sa ating control panel ay select mo lang itong ease of access. So click mo lang yan. And then dito sa ease of access, kailangan mo lang select itong change how your mouse work. So click lang yan. And then ang susunod ay makita mo dito yung control the mouse with the keyboard. And then click mo lang itong set up mouse key. And then ang susunod ay kailangan mo lang i-click itong box, turn on mouse key. And then dito naman sa kanyang keyboard shortcut ay click mo lang itong turn on. And then display warning message, so click mo lang yan, and then make sound when turning, and then click mo lang ito. And then dito naman sa kanyang pointer speed, so nasa sa'yo yan kung gusto mo ng low, high, and then yung accelerations, and kung gusto mo ng slow and fast. Ayan, so dito naman sa other settings, dito sa mouse key with numlock is click mo lang thumb out. And then ang susunod, click mo lang yung apply, click mo yung okay. Alright, so ganoon na po kasi mga kaibigan kung paano natin i-control ang mouse cursor with the keyboard in Windows 11. Alright, so please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more helpful tutorials and tips. And if you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comment down below. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.